I have to laugh. It looks like I'm wearing a hat.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean. Say what you mean. And you'll get what you need. Get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. The way you look at me is absent.
All right, so good morning. You just saw me make my maple walnut shake, which this is so good. You guys can buy this online, or a lot of local stores carry it. A lot of you are saying that you can't find it, but Walden Farms has a website, and I think Amazon also sells it. So this combined with that vanilla shake, guys, is so good. I love it. In fact, I have to order more vanilla shakes because of it. That's how good it is. So we're gonna start off the day. I did take out some tilapia. This is from Trader Joe's. I buy it, I throw it in the freezer when I get home from food shopping, and then I can take it out anytime. 2 of these pieces in here usually equal 7 ounces, so I make both of them and then I just weigh it at the end. If there's a little bit left, I usually give it to the dogs. But this week what I want to do is start doing my 2-mile walks every day again that I have been lacking because we've just been having a ton of rain. But I think this week is supposed to be quite nice. So I'm going to be doing that every day. And I'm going to be doing a lot of my leanest vegetable, leanest protein, and I'm going to eliminate my optional snack. I'm at a stall again. I've done quite well over the past couple of weeks, but lately I just can't seem to break down to another number. So I'm just going to get rid of the optional snack, and I think I'm going to stick with the leanest category and the lowest carb veggie. That always seems to help. As far as the good fat, though, I'm also going to be switching it up. I usually do avocado as a healthy fat, but I'm going to be doing olive oil, and the reason being is just to see what happens. Avocado is wonderful. I love it. I think it's fantastic. There's such good potassium in there and healthy fat and fiber and things like that, but they do have quite a bit of carbohydrates. So when I do not such a low carb veggie and incorporate the avocado, I just think maybe that could be the reason why I'm not breaking down. Don't know, but I know the oils, olive oil, avocado oil, all of that as a healthy fat is really good. So tonight I'm going to be cooking the tilapia in a little bit of olive oil, or I might spray my pan with the little olive oil and then just take a little bit of olive oil and drizzle it on top once it's on top of my salad. I don't know. We'll see what happens. We're just gonna play it by ear. My fridge is stocked. I'm good. I just don't know what I'm gonna do. That's the plan so far. So, love that. Going to go for my walk. See you back in a couple hours. Bye, guys.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
All right, guys, so we're back from the walk. Curled my hair just a little bit. Still no makeup on, but that's okay. It's one of those days. And I decided to use my last pouch of mashed potatoes. And why, you ask? Because I have another order coming because they are back in stock. Woo! So excited. All right, so in this little hold on, let me mix it up because I cooked it, but I haven't stirred it up. In this little mug that I have are which one are these? The sour cream and chive. They're my favorite. They're not back in stock yet, but the garlic ones are, and they're delicious too. So I'm gonna have a nice hot mug of mashed potatoes for fueling number 2. And guess what? I have to go to Trader Joe's to pick up a couple things, so I will likely bring you along. Since I'm doing the lowest carbohydrate vegetables, I do need some more salad and cucumbers, and I want to get some celery and all of those things, spinach, just to keep in my arsenal. So we'll be heading over there in a little bit, and I will see you over at Trader Joe's. So I was just finishing up a little bit of work. I just want to take a minute and talk to you guys about Optavia. There's a lot of stuff going on in the group about people calling nutrition support and them not getting any support and that they're kind of ticked off about it. But let me explain to you what goes on. So before you ever started Optavia, you made a decision that you were going to pay for a program that works scientifically. And there's thousands and thousands of people who have been successful on plan. This is a decision that you made, right? So when you get your first order, I'm going to show you because I have it in here, my desk. This little book comes with your first order. Oh my gosh, it's open to a page and I can't find the cover. Hold on, guys. All right, this little book, here it is. This is the Optavia guide. This is your Bible. This is your Bible. Let's say that. In this book, on page 18 and 19, as something falls out, this is your Bible right here, okay? This tells you the 3 categories of your lean, your green, your fat, all the things that you can have, yada, yada, yada. So when you're in the grocery store, I know there's lots of information out there. Trader Joe's, this store, that store, Costco, let me go here. When you call nutrition support and say, hey, I'm looking at this bacon in ShopRite or Publix or whatever, and I want to know how it fits into the plan. The reason they tell you that they can't give you that information any longer is because if it's not in your Bible here, it's not part of the program. Even though maybe the bacon, chicken sausage, cauliflower sandwich thins, even though they may fit within the guidelines of the plan, if they're not in this book, not part of the program. You made the decision to start this program. This works if you follow, and another page falls out. If you follow these 2 pages, you're going to get to your goal faster than you can believe it. When you start modifying the program with other foods and other things, guess what? You're going to get modified results. And I feel like this is a little bit of an eye-opener for me. When I lost my 50 some odd pounds a couple of years ago, I literally only ate and drank what was in this book. I used the conversion sheet for my vegetables, so I knew what I was measuring on a food scale. I only drank water and I gave up coffee. I'm drinking coffee every morning. I drink some diet soda now and then, and I eat foods sometimes that aren't in this book. And that's like huge eye opener because I just said to you a couple clips ago, I've been stalling and I want to eat back to the leanest, the most, everything that's in this book. Duh, I mean, I don't even know what to say to myself. So don't be upset at Optavia if the nutrition support isn't going to tell you that, hey, yeah, those are, no. Refer to your book, page 18, page 19. Talk to your health coach. The foods and things, fats, condiments, everything listed from the company is what you should be eating. There's plenty of time to investigate all of those other things. if you're not focused on reaching a goal within a certain amount of time, like if you could be lingering on Optavia for a year, 2 years, 3 years, doesn't matter to you, then test the waters if you want. But don't get mad at a company that's literally giving you what you have to do to be successful. Don't get mad at them if you call them with some product like breaded chicken tenders. That's not in the book, but yet people are eating it and people are saying, oh, well, you can have this and that. And that. If it's not in the doggone book, don't eat it. And if you follow the book and you do what's written in the book, I will bet your bottom dollar that you will reach goal way faster and way smoother with not a lot of stalls, in my opinion, quicker than you can say Optavia. Okay, let's go to Trader Joe's. I'm only going for veggies though. Protein, ground turkey, some eggs, some lettuce and things. All the things that are in the book. I'm staying away from anything that's not in the book for the week. I want to see what happens because I know what happens. It's that good, okay? So, I don't know. I'm going to do the best I can, but that's my advice. Stick with the book. Hey guys, all right, so we just finished Trader Joe's. I'll just show you what I got when we get home. It was just a little bit easier for me today, but I am in the car and it's time to eat again. So we're having the frosted cookie dough bar. This is once again, one of those feelings that I didn't have for a long time, and I absolutely love them. They're so good. Okay, heading home. I'll show you what we got at Trader Joe's, and we'll continue about our day. A couple things that I picked up from Trader Joe's. Baby spinach, another bag of baby spinach, a bag of butter lettuce, some organic celery, 2 big cucumbers, some cauliflower rice. I grabbed some of the red Argentinian shrimp, some ground beef, bag of broccoli. What else did I get? Let me look. Forgot to show you back here. Grab some chicken. And so yeah, oh, and I got this isn't for me, but it's the beef burgundy and rosemary beef tips that they all like. So that's what we got today. I also grabbed this. Did you guys know that coconut is considered a healthy fat? So I might make some coconut chicken during the week, so you'll be able to see that, but I'm gonna start experimenting just a little bit. But this is on plan. It's on your fat list. Go check it out. All right, guys, it's lean and green time. I have 2 servings of butter lettuce from Trader Joe's, 1 serving of English cucumber. I have 6 ounces of tilapia because I added a little bit of fat-free feta on top, and the dressing of choice is a half of a lemon. So that's lean and green. It's quite a big portion. So if for any reason I don't finish it all right now, I'll have it a little bit later, but here's lean and green. I will see you at the last fueling. So for my last fueling, I made a chocolate shake with the strawberry Walden Farm syrup in it, 1 tablespoon as a condiment. And I'm having it kind of taste like a strawberry chocolate shake. It's really, really good. So delicious. So thank you for sharing your day with me today. Hope you liked my little talk about the program, the Trader Joe's haul, the walk with the girls, everything. It was just a great day. Tomorrow's work, back to work. I don't want to go to work tomorrow. But that's life, right? We have to do what we have to do. So anyway, just remember, you guys, just stay focused. It's so easy. Just do what the plan says, follow the plan, and the weight will come off, right? Okay, you're like Dorothy in those ruby slippers, and I say it all the time. You have had the power all along. You can make it happen. And remember, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. I'll see you in my next video. So good. Bye, guys.